Hey there, happy Saturday. Welcome back to Blade and Knuckles Garage. Just a quick video I wanted to show you guys. Sometimes paying attention to Facebook Marketplace pays off. So they had a Hummer for parts, had been in an accident, and when it showed up, it's actually in pretty good shape. Check out all the stuff I got. A lot of rare goodies in here I think you might appreciate. First off, we got Hummer mats. We got the OEM mats. This thing's in great shape, no scratches on it really. These controls look brand new. Look at this OEM jack with the chocks and the everything. It's in great shape. Got a couple little pieces that are cracked on the other one. That's for my Hummer because mine's broken. Got the bezel for this. Look at that, nice and shiny. I got one of these for Hades because his is broken. I got, check this out. It's the cup that goes in the center console. What else is in here? Oh yeah, e-brake release. Got some things for the back of the seats. Plastic piece. This goes in the bottom of the center console. More plastic pieces. Door trim. Both nets. Kick panel where BCM is. Got a nice looking boot. Look at this. Goes in where the cup holders are. Amazing. Practically a brand new shifter. 4 hubcaps. And the rear cup holder. Incredible. Alright, so I'm going to spend a few minutes here and put some of this stuff on. This thing's been bugging me for a while. Look, this just falls off all the time. And then this is all floppy. This is broken. This is falling to pieces. Oh, that just broke off of my hand. That's nice. Got me in a finger. So now we got all of our pieces here. The old one. And then the new one. Ooh, man, that's looking pretty sharp. All the fins work. Amazing. Now, click these in the top. The rest of it. Wow. Does this turn? I don't know if that moves. It did. Oh, there we go. Stuck. Nice. Nice. Alright, and then the cup holder. Let's see, move some of this out of here. What I got in here? A bunch of junk. Screws, fuses, twist ties. Is that everything? A little screw. Well, it's kind of dirty in there, but check this out. Oh, yeah. It's all the little things, man. So nice. All right. What's next? Next will be that guy right there. Let's see here. I think this just fits in there like that. All right. Oh yeah, drink holder. Sweet. And now for this guy, oh my god, what's in here? Receipt. I got some sunglasses. I got some sunglasses. I got some sunglasses. Got some sunglasses. I got sunglasses. I've got some sunglasses. Pocket knife. Pocket knife. A whole bunch of stickers and papers and oh my gosh, so much stuff in here. This is the fun part though. Let's see here. Oh, mine does have the foam on the bottom. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I just need this. Wait, it's backwards. That's so cool. I didn't know there was one of these things. I just always assumed it was a really deep thing to put stuff in. I should trim down the amount of sunglasses I have in here. Jeez Louise. Let's see. Alright, these are the floor mats I got now. heavily grooved for winter. It's good for ice and snow around here that builds up. But these ones, oh, check that out. That's way better. Nice. Even got the box for the battery with the hose attachment, battery ventilation belt. I don't know how that's gonna fit on there. Oh, looks like I've got some of it in there. How's this supposed to work with all the cables coming out the back? Yeah, this one's gonna take a little more effort. Okay, anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Well, that's gonna take a lot more doing. Okay, just wanted to share that with you guys. I figured that was pretty cool, some of those findings. It's really hard to find stuff if you're looking to touch up your Hummer a little bit. Anyway, the rest of that stuff that we got is going on Project Hades pretty quick here in a future video, and I will see you then.